Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, lived a kind and wise creature named Grand Moff Tarkin. He was not a human, but a powerful being from the Star Wars universe. Grand Moff Tarkin was known for his intelligence and his love for stargazing. Every night, he would sit under the twinkling stars and ponder about the mysteries of the universe. One night, as he gazed at the sky, he noticed a new star twinkling brighter than any he had ever seen. Intrigued, he decided to investigate. He journeyed through the cosmos, his spaceship gliding smoothly through the vast expanse of space. After what felt like a lifetime, he reached a small, uncharted planet. Upon landing, he found a beautiful, glowing fruit on the planet. It was the Star of Dreams, a magical fruit with the power to grant one wish to whoever ate it. Grand Moff Tarkin was tempted. He could wish for unimaginable power, for wealth, for fame. But he thought of the children back on his home planet, who went to bed hungry every night. With a warm heart, he made his wish. May the children of my planet never go to bed hungry again. The star glowed brighter, and with a gentle rumble, the wish was granted. From that day forward, Grand Moff Tarkin was hailed as a hero. He had used his power not for himself, but for the good of others. His story served as a reminder to always think of others, especially the children. And so, Grand Moff Tarkin continued his nightly stargazing, not just seeking the mysteries of the universe, but also the stars in the hearts of those he helped. And every night, the children of his planet went to bed with full bellies, thanks to the Star of Dreams and the kindness of a wise, stargazing creature. The end.